Stan Gibilisco here. I've been doing a little bit of experimentation, once again, with dirty electricity. I was working on a new book that I'm writing, the title of which shall remain undisclosed for the moment. There's my camera that I use to make instructional videos explaining quiz and exam answers. In my books, right now I'm working on exam answers for Everyday Math Demystified 2nd edition. I've also published answers to all of the exam questions, explanations for the answers to all of them in Teach Yourself Electricity and Electronics 5th edition. Someday I'm going to write a book, How to Eat a Pound of Pink Slime Every Day and Not Gain Weight. Pink slime meaning ground beef. There's my friends. There's the pink slime consumption table, which awaits. Now we're on our way down into the Noid Cave, where I have some doity electricity on display. Actually, the effects of doity electricity, courtesy of a couple of computer programs. This is my ham radio transceiver tuned to, can you see it? Get it up there close enough. That is the frequency 1.725 megahertz, just above the AM broadcast band. You can hear that noise. That's what an AM signal sounds like, courtesy of doity electricity. And that is a spectral display showing some of that doity electricity. Those hash marks up at the top are separated by 100 hertz. So you can see, if you have a little bit of imagination, that these pips are separated by intervals of 60 hertz. Harmonics of the AC line frequency. That is the satellite photograph, animated satellite. You can see right now they're getting smacked again with another storm down there in South Carolina and North Carolina. Seems like they just don't get much of a break, do they? Here in South Dakota, clear, and the forecast is sunny for the next several days. I am sometimes tempted to go off on trips when it's like that. Go off on trips into the wilds of some other place. Let my neighbor, actually my friend up on Terry Peak, come down with his big dog and take care of my house here. Maybe we'll do that. That is another display of the doity electricity. A little more detail. Frequency is on the horizontal axis. It scrolls slowly down with time, and the amplitude, or the strength, is indicated by the color. Black indicates no signal. Blue, just a very small amount. And then the purple represents a little more, and then orange represents a little more, and then yellow represents the most. And you can see how doity this electricity is. This is the audio display from about 0, or about 100 hertz actually, up to about 5,000 hertz. You can see all that garbage in there. That's all courtesy of the AC power line. If we only had 60 hertz on the AC power line, we wouldn't see anything on that display. It would be absolutely clean. Obviously, it's got a ways to go before it's clean. That is a display of the heavens. I don't know why it keeps moving the North Star around. There's it. It just glitched again. I don't know why it does that. But it's always current. It shows the positions of the stars and constellations in the sky as they are now over Rapid City, South Dakota. You've seen that one before, I suppose, if you've seen many of my videos. That's a neutrino. Really close up. And if you want to do these experiments to see this doity electricity, you can. I outline how to do it in this book, Electricity Experiments You Can Do at Home. The program I talk about in that book is DigiPan, D-I-G-I-P-A-N. You can Google on that, and you'll find a downloadable site where you can actually get that program. It's real simple, works on Windows 7 machines anyway. And that program, get that reflection out of the screen there. This program is known as HamScope. HamScope. You can also download that one from the internet. Just Google on that. This other one is called, see if I can zoom in on that and get a close-up of the title, DigiPan. Okay, well that's about it from the Noid Cave for this night. Once again, check out this book. It's got a lot of really exotic, kind of weird experiments. Safe, but kind of weird. And there's the circuit board that you build to do the experiments in that book. You can just get that stuff at hardware and Radio Shack stores and take it from there. So, from the Noid Cave, Stan Jabalisco out.